So how are things going for you during the big Covid-19 scare? It's not just a scary disease, is it? Especially for those of us in the business world, those of us that are small businessmen and women, especially those of us that are single operators. This isn't just a scary disease. This is a scary time in the world. Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. I want to thank the folks at Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, and DJ NTV for being amazing sponsors. Also, my workshop, which is the entertainmentexperience.com. You want to know more about it, just reach out to me. But this has been a big conversation, and I've been kind of holding off a little bit on what I think of this. And I've told a few people about what I thought would be the best way for them to handle things. And the more I talk about it, the more it comes down to one specific thing. It's that we cannot control what is actually happening, right? We have zero control over the fact that there is a worldwide pandemic, that people are frightened, that it's either real or not real, or a big deal or not a big deal. It is officially, for all of us in business, a big deal. And we can't really do anything about it. We can get proactive. We can reach out to our clients. We can talk to people about what we're doing. We can make it easier for those people that are frightened as well, trying to keep back our frightened. But when that's all done, when you're all done doing all those proactive things with your clients, you still are at home. You know what I mean? You're home with your families. You're home by yourself. You're home with your Netflix. And then here we are. I can get out of my house a little bit, walk around my neighborhood, but I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to do that. In fact, by the time you see this little video that I'm making, it may be that I'm not even allowed to come out and shoot videos outside anymore. Who really knows? But this is what I'm doing. I don't know if this is the right thing or the wrong thing, but this is what I'm doing. I cannot control when I can go back to work. I cannot control the fact that no one is going to put together a group of people in a room and pay me to play music for them and get them to party. I can't. There's nothing I can do about it. What I can control is what's happening in my circle, in my small circle of this is what's going on for me. And the next thing I can do is really only the next thing I can do. What I mean by that is you get up in the morning and that's the first thing you got to do. And once you do it, you've succeeded. The next thing to do is to get up, go into the kitchen, make breakfast, or go out and have a walk, or do a little calisthenics, or what it is that you do, okay? And then things show up for you, right? Your kids have tough time with homework, and when they come to you with it, what's the next thing to do? It's to help them, or to brush them off, or whatever it is you're going to do. The dishes need to be done. Your family needs to be cared for. You need to take care of yourself. You need to clean yourself, clean your house. All these things, there's always lots of things to do. But what happens is we get so frightened by what's happening in the world that we get completely paralyzed around the things that have to be done. Okay, I can't do this, I can't do that, this isn't happening, I don't know, I'm not gonna make any money, my retirement fund is going down the toilet because of the Dow Industrial Average, my president is a jerk, my wife is being a pain in the ass, my kids are this, okay. The problem with that is that now you're here, there's nothing I can do, and then you don't do anything. And then you feel paralyzed. And you feel like you have zero control. You know how you get control of your life? It's take control of the things you can control. Control your morning, control your sleep, control your habits around eating, around exercise, around getting back to people with emails. You haven't done a redo on your website and it's been needing to be done, you can control that. You can work on that. You always thought you wanted to do voiceovers, but you never had the time to really figure out the equipment to be able to do it. Guess what? You have the time. You can have control over that. Take control of the things you know you can control. And the best way to do it right now when you're freaking out is sit down and make a list of all the things that are in front of you and then make a check mark by the things that you have zero control over. Now make a list of the things you can and just prioritize them. Honestly, without the list, all you really do is do the next thing. Just do the next thing. That will get you going. that will get you to a place where you're going to be doing more things towards making your business more successful, making your marriage more successful, making your family more successful, making you more fit. But as long as we see this whole big long list of, oh dear God, I'm never going to finish this, then you will not do the next thing. That's what I'm doing. What do you think? Put your thoughts below. Send me an email. Call me. I'm really easy to get a hold of, man. You'd be amazed. So if you really want to chat, just let me know. If you want to know more about my workshop, go to entertainment-experience.com. Until next time, this is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time.